Yeah, good evening. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Yeah, sorry for late. I think because of some net issue, some internet issue. Thanks for everyone for your cooperation. So I think today is date is 27. Yeah, 6/25. Right. Let me write the first problem. Let me write the first problem of today's class. I am writing first problem of today's class. Right. So let me write it. Right. Main int a is equal to 10, int star b is equal to ampersand a, scanf percentage d comma b. So next one, printf a plus 50. Yeah, this is the given problem. It's a very nice problem. It's a very interesting also. It's a very nice problem. It's a very interesting also. Can you go ahead? Let me know first of all, audio video okay or not. Today's class just started now, right? I given the date also. I written the problem also. Yeah, you have to give answer for this problem. That is okay. But one more thing I want to ask you all: is audio video okay? Is everything is okay? Let me know. Is everything is okay? Let me know. Hi. Good evening. Hi, Renit. Good evening. Yeah, Ian. Good evening. Yeah, good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. I think we can start. We can start the today's class. I hope audio video is okay. So Ian, is audio video okay? Ian, is audio video okay? Yeah, let's go ahead then. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. Main int a is equal to 10, int star b is equal to ampersand a, scanf percentage d and b, printf a plus 50. Can you go ahead and can you try what is the answer for this? Today's class, it is the first problem. Today's class, it is the first problem. Can you try this? I'm going to give the answer. I'm going to give the answer. Today's class, it is the first problem. I will give the answer. Can you try your opinion? I will give the answer. Can you try your opinion? I'm going to give answer. Let's see what is the answer. Those people who completed, please let me know what is your answer. Let's see what is the answer of this. So Pankaj is saying that input value plus 50. Ian is saying input plus 50. Ayan is saying 70 is the answer. 20 is the answer, something like that. I think I can go ahead now. Right, let's start. I can go ahead. So when you compile this program, I think it will done conversion from the high level to low level. That is the purpose of compilation. When you compile this program will convert from high level to low level. High level to low level. You may say that, sir, what is the meaning of conversion from high level to low level? Nothing there. Plus is there, right? In the high level, plus. In the low level, add. In the high level, plus, right? Add it is. In the low level, add. Assignment operator. In the high level, assignment operator. In the low level, maybe move or maybe store, something like that. So this total program will convert from high level to low level because right, running will be done by the processor like low level language. Processor, the person who is running the program is a processor. It don't like a high level. It like low level. Processor like low level. You may say that then you could have written the program in the low level itself, but user like high level. But the processor like low level. So user will type the program in the high level only, but when you compile, high level becomes low level. Now afterwards you run processor like only low level. Already low level is there. After compilation, it will run it. So remember, before compilation, after compilation, same program. Right? Before compilation, it is high level. After compilation, it is a low level. That is the only difference. But meaning-wise, every manner, it will be same. So that is the reason. Before compilation, how it look like. After compilation, also it look in the same way, but in some other language. Converting from one program to, one language to another language. So compiler is a translator. Which will translate from high level to low level. Okay, I think we can move now. Let's start. Compile this program. Okay, compilation is done. Let me run the program. When you run this program, first time, a value 10, address is 1000. First line completed. A value 10, address is 1000. Next one. That is the first line. See the second line. Int star b is equal to ampersand a. A address 1000. So 1000 will go inside b. B address is 2000. That is also okay. Can you see the third line? I think everyone observe. Everyone know. Make sure everyone know. So what is the purpose of scanf? Remember, when the processor is running the program, right? If the processor sees scanf, right? Processor will stop running and it will ask enter the number. Right? Whenever a processor is running the program, by seeing scanf, processor will stop running. It will ask enter the number. Let us assume at this place you enter the number. At this place you enter the number 70. Whenever a processor will see scanf statement, processor stop running. It will ask enter the number. Right? I think everyone knows scanf purpose is taking the input. Scanf purpose is while running, taking the input. Whenever it sees the scanf, processor will stop running. It will ask enter the number. Assume I enter the number 70. Then what happened is the number which you enter 70, it will goes to whatever address you provided here. Everyone know variable means inside. B means what? 1000. Inside, right? Remember at this place address you have to give. This is the address only. Everyone know. It is the address only. So whatever address you given 1000, inside 1000, 10 is there. That 10 place this 70 will go. Remember scanf statement inside, you have to give address. Scanf statement inside, you have to give address. So I given the 1000, it will go inside 1000. Inside 1000 already 10 there. So in that place, the 70 will go. That is the third line. Now printf a plus 50. I think a contains 70. So 50 already there. So I think which will goes to 120 will be printed. So as I mentioned, as the people mentioned, the output of this program is input plus 50. The output of this program is input plus 50. And one more, the purpose of this problem is just you want to know, do you know scanf or not? The purpose of this program is just you want to verify, do you know scanf or not? Do you know normal pointers or not? Do you know normal pointers or not? Do you know scanf or not? It's a very, very twisted question. It's a very, very twisted question. Those people who knows clearly what is scanf, those people who knows clearly pointer, they only can give answer for this. All gate problems are small twist will be there. Small twist. Small twist will be there. Answer is going to be, output is going to be input plus 50. Output is going to be input plus 50. Output is going to be input plus 50. I hope everyone got it. Everyone got. Many people give an answer also. Many people are given answer also. Many people are given. Pankaj also given. Ayan also given. Pankaj also given. I also added. Ayan also given. Let me know anyone having any objection. Yeah, scanf normally will take address. Inside scanf address should be there. Inside scanf address will be there. You are given in the address place 1000, it will go inside 1000. In the address place, if you give 2000, it will go inside 2000. Suppose assume that in the B place I written %B. %B is going to be 2000. B address is 2000. If you keep 2000, it will go inside 2000. If you keep 1000 in the B place, if you keep 1000, it will go inside 1000. If you go if you keep 2000, it will go inside 2000. Whatever address you keep in the scanf statement inside, whatever address you keep, it will go inside that. If I keep 1000, it will go inside 1000. If you keep 2000, it will go inside 2000. Listen everyone, one more. If I keep 1000, it will go to 1000. It will go to inside 1000. If I keep 2000, it will go to inside 2000. If I give your address, it will go inside you. Ayan, please let me know what is your address. Your body address. Please let me know what is your body address. If I keep that address here, it will go inside your body. Inside your body, it will go. Somewhere 70 will store. If I keep your address, it will go inside your body. So if you have any enemy, Ayan, please let me know. Ayan, if you have any enemy, please let me know their address. I will keep their address. It will go inside their address. If you have any enemy, please let me know. Right? I will keep that enemy address inside, right? In the place of B, I will keep your enemy address. It will go inside that enemy address body. Inside that body, the 70 will go. That 70 will store in their stomach. The 70 will go, it will store inside their stomach. So at a time 70 kg will increase. At a time 70 kg stomach will increase. So can we move further? Remember scanf inside you have to give address. Whatever address you give, it will go inside that address. If you have any enemy, please let me know. I will keep that enemy address. It will go inside that enemy address. Inside that enemy stomach, it will go. Okay, I think Raj is saying, hi sir, how are you? I am fine, I hope you too. I am fine, I hope you too. Yeah, let me move to next problem. Yeah, I am moving to next problem. So next problem is a very tough problem. I don't know how many people will give answer. Next problem is a very tough problem. This is very, very tough. Let's check. This problem is going to be very, very tough. Consider the following program. Okay. Now let's start. Main int x is equal to 15. This is going to be very, very tough problem. Let's check. Int x is equal to 15. Printf %d. So f of 5 and %x. So end of this function or end of the main program. Now let's go to the actual function. So f of into n into star fp. Inside that into t comma f. If n less than or equal to 1, star fp is equal to 2, return 10. Else, this problem is going to be very tough. Let's see how many people will go. Else t is equal to function of n minus 1 comma fp. So t is equal to t plus, in the place of t plus, let me write, I think, yeah, I can say here, yeah, t plus may be better. T plus f of p. So f of p star is equal to t plus 2 return t. End of this function. Yeah, can you go ahead here? Can you go ahead here? What is the answer of this? If you can give answer for this, most of the problem you can solve. This is going to be one of the tough problems. See, most of the questions in the GATE exam will be like this only. Pointer and recursion. Only pointer they will give. Or only recursion they will give. Sometimes combination they will give. In GATE examination, most of the questions are only pointer or only recursion or combined. So combined is the best one. The most expected question in the examination is combined. The most expected question in the GATE examination is combined. Combined one is the most expected one. Can you go ahead? Make it fast. This is the most expected question. It is the most expected question in the exam. Very less people can give answer. Very less people. Very less people will give the answer. Go ahead, everyone. Everyone try. Hi, Siddharth. Hi. Hi, Siddharth. How are you? Please take your own time and try to give answer. Please take your own time and try to give answer. This problem is a really interesting problem. It's a really interesting problem. If you can do this, most of the problems you can do. This is the maximum thing what can happen in the GATE examination. This is the, if this question came in the GATE examination, people will say, right, paper is very tough. If this question will come in the GATE examination, people will say question paper is very tough. Let's see how many people will give answer. It's a very interesting question. It's a very interesting. If you can give answer for this, trust me, you are going to get a very nice rank. This problem you are able to solve means, trust me, in the GATE examination, you are going to get a very nice rank. In GATE examination, you are going to get a very nice rank. Can I give answer? Can I give? Okay, let me try. So it's very interesting. It's very interesting. So those people who completed, can you show the output? Those people who completed, can you write the output? Those people who completed, can you show the output? I think IN is saying 110 is the answer. Siddharth, what is the answer? Siddharth, what is the answer? Raj, what is the answer? Please let me know. So IN is saying 110. Those people who will give correct answer for this problem, trust me, you are going to get very nice rank. You are going to get very nice rank. If you are given correct answer for this, you are going to get very nice rank. Make it fast. Yeah, I'm starting the answer. I'm starting the answer. See everyone, I'm starting. So x is equal to 15. Address is 1000. Print a percentage d f of 5 comma ampersand x. Okay, 5 going, ampersand x means x address going, so 1000 going. So 5 comma 1000 is going. Remember, one data going, one address going. Address will be received by pointer. Data will be received by data. So remember f of n comma fp. Fp is a pointer. So here 5 there, here 1000 there. Right? Because of declaration, memory created. You know this very well. Because of declaration, memory created. And one more thing I want to say to you, if condition true, if the first statement is true, then you will go inside. Inside there is a return. What is the meaning? If 1 is true, you will go inside. You don't go further because return is there. If 1 fail, then only I will come to 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, 1 fail, then only 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 pass, there is no requirement of 2, 3, 4, 5. Because 1 is a pass, there is a return inside. So let's start now. F of n comma fp. And one more thing, you may be confused. This f also, this f also. You may be confused. If you think you are confusing, you can write some function name, fun. Some function name, fun, you can write. Because inside also f there, you may be confusing. Right? You may be confusing. So that is the reason I changed it. Here also fun. Here also fun. Let me write. Otherwise, you may confuse. So let's start. Everything is ready. So f of means fun of n comma fp. N is 5. Fp is 1000. Start inside is a recursive program. So stack required. Start inside. First one. So T and F memory will be created. Okay, T memory created. F also memory created. Okay, so this line is over. Now I think n is going to be 5. 5 is less than or equal to 1. Condition is fail. 1 fail. Let's go to 2, 3, 4. Because of 1 is fail, I need 2, 3, 4, 5. I need 2, 3, 4, 5. What is 2? Let's check. T is equal to fun of n minus 1 fp. N minus 1 and fp. What is the n minus 1? N is 5. 5 minus 1, 4. What is the fp? 1000. Right? When you say variable inside 1000 is there, so same 1000 will come. So fun of say n and fp, same story. Right? Here 4 will be there, here 1000 will be there. Same thing will come. It is a recursive call, right? Go further. See, remember, after 2 over, I will come to 3, 4, 5. 2 over, then I will come to 3, 4, 5. 2 not over, 2 purpose I am going. Again, same story. T memory will be created. F memory will be created. So n is 4. 4 less than or equal to 1, condition is fail. 1 fail. So 2, 3, 4, 5. What are the 2? So T is equal to, right, fun of n minus 1. So n is 3. fp is 1000 only, no change. Again recursion, same story. So T and F memory will be created. Please let me know if I done anything wrong. So next one, n value 3. 3 less than or equal to 1, condition is fail. So 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go to 2. T is equal to some fun of n minus 1 comma fp. So n is previously 3, it became 2 now. Fp is same. I think Fp no change. Fp no change. Again, it is a recursive call, so go inside. So T memory will allocate. F also memory will allocate. Can you see the first line? N value 2. 2 less than or equal to 1, condition is fail. So 2, 3, 4, 5. So two purpose I am writing. See this one. So I think T is equal to F of fun of N comma Fp. N is 1, Fp is 1000. Now onwards careful. Everyone now onwards careful. Everyone now onwards careful. I am writing now. Now onwards careful everyone. So this is the recursive call. See the first line. T memory will be created. F also memory will be created. That is okay. Right? I think memory creation is over. Next one. Observe here. N value now 1. 1 less than or equal to 1. Condition is pass. Then what you do is Fp as of now 1000. Star 1000. The value inside 1000. The value inside 1000 means here is equal to 2. Return 10. Return 10. Remember this function finally returns 10. So this is 10. So T is equal to 10. So second line is over. Can you see the third line? Lack of space I written here. Can you see the third line? Everyone observe third line. T is equal to T plus Fp. T is equal to T plus Fp. But one small thing I want to ask you. One small thing. I don't know how many people are given answer. But one small thing I want to ask you. Let me check once. Remember, T is equal to T plus it is a star Fp. Those people who given the answer, you don't have sense. The people who give an answer as right some value, you don't have sense. Something missed out. You could have asked me, sir, something missed out. T is equal to T plus star Fp. There is no meaning of T plus Fp. There is no meaning. T is equal to T plus Fp. There is no meaning. T is equal to T plus star Fp. It is a star Fp, remember. So, if you observe clearly, star Fp, Fp is in this block. In this block, if you observe Fp, which is 1000. So, 1000, star 1000, the value inside 1000, so 2. So, what is T? In this block, wherever you are, in this block, I think here, sorry for this. Here, wherever you are, what is the T? T already 10. So this is 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So T contain 12. First T contain 10. Next one, T is equal to T plus star Fp. I think it is 12. Next one, can you see this one? Everyone, star Fp. Fp is 1000, star 1000. The value inside 1000. This is equal to T is right. T is I think 12. 12 plus 2, which is 14. So I think inside this 14 will come. Be careful. Lastly, return T. There are so many games going on. Lastly, return T. T is 12. 12 will be returned. At the end of this function, you are returning 12. This is 12. So now T is 12 here. Now see the third line. Same story. See the same story. Those people who are confusing, you can see now. See the third line. T is equal to T plus star Fp. Fp is in this block. In this block, Fp is 1000. So star 1000. The value inside 1000, 14. 14 plus what is the T? 12. 14 plus 12 is 26. So T contain 26. Let me know if anyone having any doubt. 26. Let me know if anyone having any small doubt. 26. T is equal to T plus T already 12. 12 plus 14, 26. 26 is stored. So second line over, third line is over. Can you see the fourth line? Everyone observe. Can you see the fourth line? Fourth line, if you observe, star Fp means this person is equal to, right? So T plus T already 26. 26 plus 2, 28. I think fourth line also over. Can you see the fifth line? Return T, 26 will be written. 26 will be written. So T is 26. Now see the third line. So T is equal to T plus star Fp. Star Fp is 28 plus 26. Star FP is 28 plus 26. 28 plus 26, which is going to be, I think, 54. 54. This became 54. So third line is over. Can you see the fourth line? Can you see the fourth line? T plus 40, 54 plus 2, 56. Lastly written T. Lastly written T. Sorry for this, it's a 54, that is okay. Lastly, this will be 56. 2 will be there. Lastly, written T. 54 will be written. 54 will be written. Be careful, be careful. So second line is over. Can you see the third line? Can you see the third line? T is equal to T plus star FP. Star FP, the value inside F is 56. 56 plus, right? So 54. 56 plus 54, which is going to be 110. Which is going to be 110. 110. Right? So this will be. I think what is the answer? T plus star FP. It is a 110. It is a 110. Afterwards 110 plus 2, 112. This is 112. This is 112. Lastly written T. So 110 will be written. Finally 110. Finally 110. Is it okay? It's a very good question. Very good question. Lastly 110 will comes to here. The person who said answer is 110. It's correct. The person who said the final answer is 110. It is correct. It is correct. Final answer is 110. It's a perfect. Final answer is 110. It's a perfect. Let me know anyone having any objection. It is the most expected question. It is the most expected question. Please be careful. It is the most expected question. This question mostly will come in the examination. The expected questions are, right, only recursion, only pointer, and mixing. Most probably mixing will come. Most probably mixing will come. Try to understand. Most probably mixing will come. Answer is 110. Ayan, thank you so much. Ayan, thank you so much for giving answer. You given the excellent answer. Ayan, I am really proud of you. Ayan, you are going to get a very nice rank. Please continue in the similar way. You are going to get a very nice rank. Please continue similar way. I didn't thought that you will give the correct answer, but you given correct answer for this also. You given correct answer for this also. I really proud of you. I really proud of you. Yeah, can we move to next? It's very good work. It's very good work. I felt, right? You people cannot give this answer, but you given. And one more tough problem is coming. Can you try this also? This is going to be very interesting problem. Can you try this problem also? Yeah, Redam. You are going to get a very nice rank. Main. X is equal to 5. Int x. X is equal to 5. P of ampersand x. Printf x. Now let's go to Q function. Int x. Int z. Z plus is equal to x. Printf z. End of this. P of int star y. P of int star y. Int x is equal to star y plus 20. Q of X star Y is equal to X minus 7 printf X. This is going to be one of the tough problem. This is going to be one of the tough problem. Can you try what is the answer here? It's a very, very interesting problem. Very, very interesting. Very less people can give answer. Very less people can give answer. Can you go ahead? Everyone try. Very less people will give answer. Very less. Remember, today is the last class. Today is the last class of C programming. Right? Tomorrow onwards, classes will be done. Tomorrow onwards, classes will be done in the EPT platform. Tomorrow onwards, classes will be done in the EPT platform. So please be careful. Everyone, please be careful. Right? So C programming, today is the last class here. Almost 11 classes I done. 11 classes. So many valuable things I said. I felt so happy because whatever I expected, class happened better than that. Whatever I expected the class, right? It is happened better than that. It is happened better than that. So this class is going on so nicely. It is the last batch for the 2026 GATE exam. This is the last batch. This is the last batch of GATE 2026 exam. If anyone serious, I request you, you can happily join the EPT. You can happily join EPT if you are serious. Yeah, can you go ahead? What is the answer? Let's see how many people will give answer. Very less will give answer. Very less. Yeah, can you write IN? Can you write totally? What is the output? What is the final output? IN, can you write what is the final output? IN, can you give final output? 30, 25, 18. 30, 25, 18. Yeah, I will try. I will try this. Can you see once? Everyone can see this. In this problem, so many twists will be there. This problem contains so many twists. Not one twist, two twists. So many twists are there in this problem. I'm checking. Compile this program. Global variable memory will allocate. Address is 1000. Because of you didn't kept anything, by default 0. When you compile this program, for global variable memory will allocate. So X value 0, address 1000. Okay, perfect. So now let me compilation is over. Let me run the program. I'm running. Running will start from main. Everyone observe. X is equal to 5. Remember everyone, it is not a local variable because no declaration. It is a free variable, static scoping. It is a free variable, static scoping, because you didn't mention anything means by default static scoping. You didn't mention anything means by default static scoping. Not mentioned. By default static scoping. So X is equal to 5. I think no local means, right, according to static scoping, global. So this will become 5. Next one, print ampersand X. X address will go. X address is 1000. 1000 is going. 1000 is going to P function. Remember, 1000 is going to P function. So 1000 is K. Right? So now see this one. Int star Y. Y memory will allocate. So remember, creating memory means some other address. 2000. So inside Y there is 1000. Okay, now observe clearly. Int X. X memory will allocate because it's a local variable. So remember, right, previous function, global variable, that X different, this X different. This X is a local. So 3000. So X is equal, int X is equal to star Y plus 20. What is Y? 1000. What is star 1000? The value inside 1000. So 5. 5 plus 20, 25. So 25 will store in the X. So X contain 25. X contain 25. That is fine. Can you see the next line? Q of X. X is 25. 25 will go. So Z is 25. Now observe here. Z plus is equal to X. Remember, Z plus is equal to X. Z is already 25. So 25 is equal to 25 plus X. Remember, in the Q function, there is no X. X is a free variable, static scoping, global variable. So 5. So 5 plus 25, which is going to be 30. So I think this line is over. Print Z. So remember, I think in my opinion, it is the first printf. Till now, it is the first printf. Printf Z. Z is 30. So 30 will be printed first. After this print Z is over, control will come back. So this is over. Now see, star Y is equal to X minus 7. What is X inside this function? Inside this function, X is 25. 25 minus 7, I think 15. 15 plus 7 is 20. Sorry. So 25 minus 7, how much? I think it is 18. 18? Yeah, I think same. 18. So 18 will goes to star Y. What is Y in this particular block? 1000. Star 1000. The value inside 1000, this place, is replaced by 18. Next one, print X. I think in this block, X value 25. In this block, X value 25. So I think printf is over. Whenever this function is over, from where control came back? I think from here. So print X. So in this one, no local, right? Print X means global variable. I think 18. Let me know if I done anything wrong. Answer is 30, 25, 18. Answer is 30, 25, 18. Let me know. Answer is 30, 25, 18. Yes or no? Answer is 30, 25, 18. Make it fast. Answer is 30, 25, 18. Is it okay? Is it perfect? Very less people will give answer. Very less people will give answer. Check. I may be in the flow. Maybe sometimes I will also do wrong. Everyone should, right? Everyone should do carefully. If I don't do carefully, I will give wrong answer. If you don't do carefully, you will give wrong answer. If anyone don't do carefully, they will give wrong answer. If you don't do carefully, you will give wrong answer. If I don't do carefully, I will give wrong answer. So please try to understand. Please try to understand. Everyone be careful. Everyone be careful. Now I want to say one important thing to all of you. I want to say one important thing to all of you. Please listen. Please listen. I want to say one important thing. Everyone try to understand. Everyone try to understand. See this one. So just I am writing the fifth table. I am writing the fifth table. See this one. Fifth table I am writing. 5 ones, 5. 5 twos, 10. 5 threes, 15. 5 fours, 5 fours, 28. 5 fives, 25. 5 6, 30. 5 7, 35. 5 8, 40. Just I am writing fifth table, nothing is there. 5 nines, 45. 5 10, 50. This is the fifth table. This is the fifth table. 5 ones, 5. 5 twos, 10. 5 threes, 15. Right? 5 fours, 28. 5 fives, 25. 5 6, 30. 5 sevens, 35. 5 8, 40. 5 9, 45. 5 10, 50. Yeah, so this is the table. I hope everything is fine. So remember, right? So I written total table. Totally 10 rows are there. Totally this table contains 10 rows. Are you understanding, Anna? This table contains totally 10 rows. Right? Every row, see this one. Every row I written correctly. Every row I written correctly. Every row I written correctly. Am I right, Anna? Every row I written correctly. See, one row I written wrong. One row I written wrong. So what I mean to say is, if you want, you can check the comment also. You can, if you want, you can check the comment also. Right? If you want, you can check the comment also. So careful everyone. If you want, you can check the comments also. So fifth table I written. Totally 10 rows are there. Everywhere I written correct. Everywhere I written correct. But one place only intentionally I written wrong. One place only intentionally I written wrong. So what happened is, it doesn't matter how much good work you will do. Right? Always your enemies, always your friends, always your family members will point out drawbacks only. So don't think that much. Right? Sometimes it will happen wrong. So sometimes your enemies will point out this is wrong. As soon as this table is over, if I ask, is there anything wrong? So everyone will say this is wrong. Even though I done so many mistakes, so people are always ready to point out your mistake. People are always ready to point out your mistakes. Your friends, your enemies, the people who are not talking, to you, right? They are ready to blame you because of this wrong. So when you are doing something, there may be a chance of small mistakes. People anyhow ready. You do good also, they don't see good. They are eagerly waiting for bad. So what my intention, the purpose of what I want to say here is, anyhow people will point out drawbacks. You no need to bother. See, I done this much good work. One place I written wrong. People will say only that wrong only. People don't bother about 9 things I written correct. One thing only I written wrong. People will comment that only. So don't worry about people. Just ignore them. Just ignore the people. Just always check yourself. Self-checking. Am I doing correct or not? If you are doing correct, happily move on. You are doing correct, happily move on. Happily move on. Are you doing correct? Happily move on. Don't worry about the neighbors. Don't worry about the friends. Don't worry about the enemies. Anyhow, people will see only your negatives. The only person who can see your positive is you only. Very less people will see your positives. Many people will see your negatives only. The only person who can see your positive is you only. You please concentrate positive things. Don't worry about the small mistakes. Think about only positive things. So I want to say to all of you, anyhow, when you are doing any work, some mistakes will happen. But you done out of 10, you done 9 things good. One place only unknowingly mistake happened. But your people, right? Your people, your friends, your enemies, your neighbor, everyone will point out that mistake only. But you done 9, no one will appreciate also. So you should always appreciate yourself. You should always appreciate yourself. If you don't appreciate yourself also, anyhow, no one will update. No one will appreciate you. You should appreciate always yourself. Don't worry about small mistakes. Don't worry about small mistakes. You should always, right? You should always say yourself, I am best. You should always say yourself, I am best. If you keep on saying like this, then only you can move forward. Every time if you doubt yourself, see, others anyhow will doubt. Others anyhow will doubt you. You also doubt yourself. You never move. You never do anything in life. Many people will stop GATE preparation. Many people will stop placement preparation. Many people will stop because the reason is others also pointing your drawbacks. You are also pointing your drawbacks. Everyone pointing your drawbacks. Out of 10, I done 9 things, yeah. Out of 10, I done 9 things. Then why are you pointing me that one single mistake? That is the nature of the people. That is the nature of the human being. Your neighbor, your family people, everyone will point out that negative only. So the only person who cannot point out that negative thing is you. You please don't say anything negatively yourself. If you also saying negatively, others also saying negatively yourself, you are also saying negatively yourself, then there is no point of going further. The people whoever is there in the top positions as of now, if you think that your friend is there in the top position, if you think that someone else is there in the top position, the best thing what they done is they encouraged themselves. No one encouraged them. They encouraged themselves. So no one will come. It's a very rare incident. People will come and will encourage you. So I done this mistake. People will say you are waste, you are nonsense, you are bullshit, you are dust on this earth. Many people will say. So just whatever other people are saying, listen from this ear, right? Ignore from this ear, right? Enter from this side, leave from this side. Don't take them so seriously. You always you have to appreciate yourself. I done very good work today. I can do it. I can do it. I done very good work. If you keep on doing, then only will grow. So final conclusion, anyhow people will blame you. Anyhow people will cheat you. Anyhow people will say you are useless fellow. People will say whatever they want. That people contain your family members, your friends, your college people, your college teachers, right? Your EPT teachers, right? Anyone, whoever it is. Anyhow, people will comment you negatively. So don't worry about those negative things. You always believe yourself. You are the only person. You are the only person who should appreciate yourself in the worst case. I'm sure you can do it. I know about your abilities. I'm sure you can do it. So always appreciate yourself. Please keep on move. Don't postpone also. Remember, consistency is more important. In this journey, consistency is more important. It is a very important. Consistency. Consistency is a very important. Always be positive. Be positive. Be positive. Be positive. Consistency and be positive means which is nothing but trust the God. Trust you also, trust the God also. God is there. If you do nice work, God will take care. Be consistent and be positive also. Because people will keep on say so many things. One of your neighbor will come and will say, my son is already got placement. Are you preparing GATE? My son got that job. Are you still doing placement? Right? Your relatives will keep on saying different things. One of your friend will come and will say, I already placed. Are you still studying? So many ways the story will come. One friend will come and will say, I got placement. One friend, family members will come, they will say, we got placement. They will say to your family member, friends all combined will shout on you and blackmail you. And they will say so many bad things about you. So don't worry. Right? And don't oppose also. Listen from 1 year. 1 year from listen. Another year, please leave it. Another year, please leave it. But be positive and be consistent. Do good work, right? Do always good work. Do everyday good work. Do everyday good work. God is there, He will take care. God is there. He will protect you. He will protect you. Okay, fine. He will protect you. Consistency and be positive. Do everyday good work. So God is there. He is watching from top. He will protect you. It is the responsibility of the God to protect good people. If you are a good person, if you are doing a good work, God anyhow will protect you. Just to do your work. So these are our toppers. These are our previous year toppers. These are our previous year's toppers. Next one. So you can, so many offers are there. Right? 70% offer is going on. 70% offer is going on. Please utilize. 70% offer is going on. Please utilize. If you serious, then only join. If you serious, then only join. And one more thing is, next month onwards, there is no new batch. You can use this code. You will get the 70% discount. If you are preparing for a PSUs, this course is better. If you are preparing for GATE and placement, this is better. If you are preparing for only placement, this is better. If you are preparing for job ready course, Oracle database, this is the better. If you are preparing for web stack development, this is better. Right? Thank you. So I think Ayan, you can you people you people can join from Monday onwards, morning 6 o'clock. Monday onwards, morning 6 o'clock, right? So programming will start. Monday morning 6 o'clock onwards, programming will start. Okay, we really done decent work on the YouTube. On the YouTube, we done the 11 classes. One more 11 classes are there. We'll see in the EPT. Fine? Is it okay? Bro, is it okay? Bro, is it okay? Yes. So class number 12 onwards, it is there in the EPT, right? You can morning, I think Monday morning 6 o'clock. Monday morning 6 o'clock, right? It will be there. Monday morning 6 o'clock, it will be there. One more 11 classes. Most probably one more 11 classes, or maybe 15 classes, we'll see. Right? Fine. Thank you so much. See you in the next class. Bye. Bye everyone. See you in the next class. Thank you so much for your cooperation on the YouTube.